and local showbiz?
Actually, my first movie debut was 2014, it's 10 years ago. And the director was actually Filipino guy. So, yeah, I don't know why it was destiny like this. So my first movie debut was Filipinos, and my first foreign friend also Filipino. So it's like, here is kind of familiar country to me. And in these days, this industry, showbiz industry in the Philippines, they're really growing up. And if I have a chance, I also want to be part of them. And also I want to learn a lot of language and cultures. I want to explore to the other country. So that's why I'm here. And especially this movie, when I read the script, was really touched my heart. And then, yeah, even it's smaller, I want to be part of this movie. And yeah, I want to try this movie. And I want to show as a Korean, maybe in a good way. I want to try to that.
Are you staying here for good? Are you staying here for good?
I love here. Even the hot weather, I'm always wet, but I love it. I love it the summer, and I really like this ambience. I like the great things, the tree, puno, and something. Yes.
You've been here for almost a year, right? Since December 2023.
Not like that. That one is just it was just few days. So. Since living here, like just 4 or 5 months, I guess. Yes.
The experience working with the Filipino artists. What was? Can you explain to us?
I think they are really bright. I mean, everyone is always smile and bright, and they are very fun, and so they. When I see them, I also feel like very chill, and especially Drake, when on the set, he always laughing, like because he make the set vibe is chill, relaxed, and he always like make a humor with everyone. So it was very fun, and he has always specific imaging on the movie, so it's easy to.
Thank you very much.
What took you so long to do another movie? And what made you say yes to Mujib?
May siya ng password at ulit-ulit ayun, it took me some time because na-insecure talaga ako nung mga gumagawa na ng pelikula. Parang feeling ko, pag gumawa ka ng pelikula, kailangan responsibility mo as a filmmaker na may boses yung gagawin mo. Parang hindi ka lang gawa ng
may social relevance
for the sake of it. So, I took some time, hinasa ko yung skill ko, hopefully sa advertising industry. So, tinulungan ako nila Miss Madonna in accommodating narrative, short narrative na branded. So, yung mga kwentong Jollibee, yung mga gano'n, yung mga ibang mga nakakaiyak na mga materials online, medyo kami din po yung pakanan nun. So ngayon, medyo ready naman na. So kaya sinubukan namin ulit ginawa ng pelikula.
Alright. Also from Naz, for Alexa, are you a K-drama fan? And if so, how did it influence your initial reaction upon reading the script and eventually shooting the film?
I think meron talagang K-drama fan before mo. And nadadamay ako sa kanya kasi during the pandemic, she would not stop watching K-drama movies or series. Actually, my favorite one, and medyo nakarelate din in a way with me accepting this film, is Hi Bye Mama. It's one of my favorite K-dramas. Sobrang na-touch ako. Parang yun yung nakita ko na-inspired because I had to show in some way the love of a mother. But as a tita version.
Right.
So yeah, and then nag-work ko naman si Kim Jisoo. I was like, oh wow, I feel like nasa K-drama din ako. Kaya dinip ko rin talaga yung best ko. It's very inspiring.
Alright, speaking of K-drama, next question natin. From Albert Brian Abilido for Rupa May.